India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and very heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall respect my parents, teachers and elders. I shall treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Thank you. Thank you, sir.